I'm Simone, and I have a question for you. Can you predict the future?
That's where quantum entanglement comes in. First, let's start with debate, me versus Einstein. Let's start with my side. In quantum entanglement, when two particles become entangled, they will create a special bond. If you know information about one, then you know information about the other, no matter how far away they are. Think of it this way. Say I had two pieces of paper. One said yes and the other one said no. Without looking, say I picked one and Einstein picked the other. Now, say that I went to Mars and Einstein stayed on Earth. When I got off my spaceship, I might have gone yes, which means I instantly knew that Einstein got no. Therefore, these papers were entangled, meaning they had instantaneous correlation. This might seem like I predicted the future since I knew Einstein's paper before the information came to me. In quantum physics, it is a bit more complicated. Measurements are unknown until they are checked on Mars and Earth. You cannot predict the future because it is random if I got a paper with yes or no. Now to Einstein's side. To him, this theory was utter blasphemy. In order for this to work, that would mean that this information is traveling faster than the speed of light, which goes against his theory of relativity. Let's break this down. Einstein thought that something was hidden inside the particle. However, this was later proven wrong by the Bell theorem. A particle can be entangled if it is in a state of superposition. Take a photon, for example. It can be polarized into horizontal and vertical, and when it is in superposition, it is simultaneously both. Now, when this particle is getting entangled, it will decay into two, and if one is horizontal, then the other one must be vertical. Now let's go over some real-life examples of quantum entanglement. Take quantum communication. In this, photons are entangled, so when systems get disrupted due to a hacker, the entangled photons will alert officials that are monitoring data of tampering. This can be essential for cybersecurity. Einstein had a great way of describing quantum entanglement. He called it spooky action at a distance.